Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you a PowerShell script, or you can say command or whatever, to rename, or you can say add prefixes to all files in a folder. So guys, sometimes based on our official activities, we create a folder, but then it comes to in our mind that we should add a prefix to all the files, right? In that particular folder. Definitely, this is not something you would like to do manually, especially if you have 100 or 200 files to do, because it's gonna be cumbersome if you do it manually, and it's gonna take time also. But here you can do it through PowerShell very easily. So what you have to do, like map the folder in that PowerShell command prompt and run this command. Get child item file, rename item, new name. Then you use the symbol uh, dollar underscore uh, to connect to each and every file, okay, and dot name. Then you have used replace. Now the first sign you see after replace, this is like at the beginning. And then I have written your prefix underscore. So this your prefix dot underscore is the prefix that you would like to use. Of course, it's up to you that you want. And then run this command. And believe me, guys, it was very quick. Like I ran this command, I had like 300 around files, and within a few seconds, all were renamed. So it's very highly efficient, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.